So here is what a rushed morning curl refresh looks like. Just not the complete refresh, but you know what I mean. This is the morning hair, the sleeping hairstyle. It's just a really loose twist up so that the curl formations don't get damaged while sleeping on them. And it really protects this top layer of curls as much as possible. But as you can see, this top layer of curls, this is day 4. They still need a little bit of help. This is how I prep my hair for sleeping. I gather all of my hair back in a ponytail and then do a loose twist up and leaving the ends loose so that they are free and off the pillowcase to protect them from getting frizzy or overly dried out. And here are my results from just taking down my hair, and of course the after look so you can see what it's going to look like when I'm all set. Here's how it started. First thing after taking my hair down in the morning is just lifting up the roots. Now here I'm using a hair pick to really comb them out because I'm trying to get as much airspace, as much volume. But of course you can also just use your fingertips by just rubbing your scalp gently back and forth, and you're really trying to lift any flat spots that may have been caused from sleeping on one side of your head at night, or the back of course, or also if you had your hair up on the previous day, you want to try to lift up those areas again so you can refresh and do a whole new hairstyle on this day. After finding my part, I can now see where I need to refresh. I don't have time for a full refresh today, so I'm just going to take the top layer of curls, and that is the only section that I'm going to refresh. So I'm going to clip the bottom all of that hair just down with a couple of styling clips so that I can just keep those out of the way, and then I'm going to do a damp curl by curl refresh on the top. So I just wanted to show you how I can sort of gather those curl families. You can see that there's webbing, a lot of separation going on, but I'm just going to wet my hands either in the sink or if you have a little bit, a bowl of water, to start pressing more water back into those curls. And then if I need to add a little bit of gel, I'll add a little bit of watered down gel by just emulsifying that in my hands with a bit of water. And then I'm just smoothing those curls back out. So putting back in those stray hairs, back into those curl families, finding which direction they want to go to really refresh this look altogether. I also separate any large curl clumps because that'll also help me get some more volume to refresh this look. Yes, you have to be very gentle on not ripping those ends, so do pull them apart gently and they should glide right out. If not, you can add a little bit more water or a little bit of the product that you're using to really help those slip out, and then you can separate, refresh those smaller curl clumps just little curl by curl. The best part of doing this damp curl by curl refresh is that you don't need to dry your hair afterwards. You can just air dry the rest of the way or use your hairdryer diffuser for a couple minutes to set the curls. After unclipping that bottom layer of hair, these are my final results. So I really just cheated my way through this refresh by only doing the very top layer of curls for this look that I'm going to wear down for the rest of the day. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.